Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you a wonderful recipe for a homemade hair conditioner that is not only super effective but also completely natural. This conditioner will help make your hair look shiny, soft, and healthy, just like you've always dreamed of. Now, I know that many of us struggle with hair issues, especially when our hair has gone through a lot, like chemical treatments, excessive heat styling, or harsh shampoos. If your hair feels dry, frizzy, has split ends, or just looks rough and lifeless, this homemade conditioner will come to your rescue. It's like a healing potion for your hair. The best part is, this is so easy to make right at home. You don't need to go out and buy expensive products. Most of the ingredients are likely already in your kitchen, and they are completely natural, which means no harmful chemicals or side effects. So I am going to give you this simple yet highly effective homemade recipe that will not only coat your hair to give it a beautiful shine, but will also nourish and strengthen the hair from within. It's a perfect blend of ingredients that work on the outer cuticle layer as well as the internal structure of your hair strands. Let's start with the first ingredient, flax seeds. Now, you should use raw flax seeds for this recipe. Make sure they are not roasted, because roasted flax seeds are meant for eating, not for hair care. What we are going to create is a kind of gel from these flax seeds, which is absolutely magical for your hair. Flax seeds are packed with a powerful combination of omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9 fatty acids. These healthy fats help to add smoothness to your hair, fix damage to the ruptured cuticle layer, and make the internal structure of the hair much stronger. So, this is not just about appearance. It's about real nourishment and repair. Add 3 tablespoons of flax seeds to your bowl. Our second ingredient is fenugreek seeds, one of the most ancient herbal remedies for hair. People have been using fenugreek for centuries to treat all sorts of hair problems. It helps with hair fall, dandruff, dryness, split ends, baldness, and even that annoying itchiness on the scalp. Fenugreek is rich in proteins, nicotinic acid, and lecithin, all of which promote hair growth and scalp health. The nutrients present in fenugreek give life back to damaged hair and gradually solve almost every common hair problem. So, go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. The next ingredient is sesame seeds. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are an amazing source of vitamin E, which is often called the beauty vitamin. Vitamin E deeply nourishes your hair, adds shine, and makes your hair feel soft, silky, and smooth. If you dream of hair that shines under the sunlight, this ingredient is a must. Now that we have all 3 ingredients, flax seeds, fenugreek seeds, and sesame seeds, let's move on to the next step. Take around 600 milliliters of water in a saucepan. Put all these ingredients into the water. We need to boil them together to extract their nutrients and create a thick, gel-like texture. Boil this mixture for about 4 to 5 minutes. While it's boiling, you'll notice that the water will start to thicken a little. This is exactly what we want. A slightly gooey consistency which works beautifully as a conditioner. Keep an eye on it because we don't want it to boil over or get too thick. Once you see that the water has thickened, you can now move on to the next step, filtering the mixture. It is very important to filter it while it's still hot. If it cools down, it becomes really difficult to separate the gel from the seeds. So, as soon as you finish boiling, carefully strain the mixture into a bowl. Let the mixture cool down completely. Now what we have here is your basic conditioner gel, and we are going to make it even more powerful with one final magical ingredient. Add 1 tablespoon of rosehip seed oil. This oil is absolutely amazing for hair. It gives your hair that lovely polishing effect on the outer layer, making it soft, smooth, and incredibly shiny. It also helps to lock in moisture so your hair stays hydrated for longer. Mix everything together really well. And there you have it. Your homemade DIY hair conditioner is ready to use. Now, let me explain how to apply it for the best results. First, wash your hair using a mild shampoo, something that has fewer chemicals and is gentle on your scalp. After washing, let your hair dry a bit. When your hair is still slightly damp, not soaking wet but just a little moist, that's the perfect time to apply this conditioner. Apply the conditioner generously from your scalp all the way to the ends of your hair. Make sure every strand gets coated nicely. To help spread the conditioner evenly, use a wide tooth comb. This also ensures that the conditioner reaches every little hair strand, giving uniform nourishment. Once applied, let it sit for at least 1 hour. If you have more time, you can even leave it on overnight for deeper conditionings. After that, simply wash your hair with plain water. No need for shampoo this time. Let your hair dry naturally. You will be absolutely amazed to see the difference. From the very first use, you'll notice how shiny, soft, and healthy your hair looks. For the best results, try to use this conditioner twice a week. Since it's made from natural ingredients, it is completely safe for everyone. Kids, adults, and even elderly people can use it without any worries. You can store this conditioner in an airtight bottle, and it will stay fresh for about 30 to 45 days if kept in a cool place. The best part is, you can safely use it even after chemical treatments like rebonding, smoothening, or keratin. It is gentle, nourishing, and has no side effects. So give it a try and experience the magic of nature on your hair. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty recipes. See you in the next video.